Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to stabilize videos in CapCut. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Now the first step that we have to do is to make sure that the CapCut app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version installed. If you don't, then click on the Update button and wait a couple of minutes until CapCut updates. Then open the app and import a video which you want to stabilize. I have this video here, as you can see, so what I have to do is to select the video. Then scroll down here until you can see a little stabilize option and then click it. Then a little slider will appear where you can choose the stabilizing intensity. You can choose most stable recommended and minimal cropping. Keep in mind that CapCut needs to crop or zoom in the video a little bit in order to stabilize your video, as all video editing programs do so. If you choose the most stable option, CapCut will stabilize the video as much as it can. But it will crop the video a lot more than if you choose the minimal cropping option. So what I suggest is to select the recommend option. Now simply wait a couple of minutes or seconds until the app stabilizes your video. If you are happy with your results, you can export your video and save it to the photo gallery. So that is how you can stabilize your shaky videos in the CapCut editing app. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.